Malaysia's administrative city, Putrajaya, is all excited and ready to host the second round of the world's first ever fully electric car race, FIA Formula E Championship, come October next year.
We hope that when this race takes place, Putrajaya as a name will be better known throughout the world. I believe that you will have global television time, which means the car will be racing with all the government buildings in Putrajaya as a backdrop, and that can only be good for Malaysia. And above all, next year is Visit Malaysia Year, and we are so delighted that you have considered Malaysia and Putrajaya in particular to be the second host after China, after Beijing. So I'm sure there'll be a lot of excitement, and trust me, I can't wait to see this event. So come October next year, and I believe it's going to be on the 18th of October, that's the date has been chosen. The only thing to do is to fix the time, but 18th of October, do make yourself free, all of you, and those watching this event outside, so that we can support this event and we can show to the world that Malaysia will be in the forefront, supporting the development of the car of the future.
Prime Minister Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak said that at the signing of an agreement to host round 2 of the Formula E race in Putrajaya on Wednesday. Najib says Malaysia is committed towards reducing carbon emissions and fully supports the development of electric cars.
We have depended on the combustion engine for such a long time, for over 100 years. We have used fossil fuel to drive the world's economy. We have prospered. We have increased the global wealth, but all this has come at a cost. The cost is that carbon emission is affecting climate change, and climate change has wrought devastation to all parts of the world. We cannot continue on the same trajectory. We need a game changer. We need to reduce carbon emission, and the electric car is the solution. I truly believe that this is the car of the future. This race is about introducing change. It will make people believe that if you can have a Formula E car racing at top speeds above 200 kilometers an hour, then there is no reason not to think that electric cars will be the car of the future.
Formula E is a new FIA championship featuring formula cars powered exclusively by electricity. For the inaugural season, all 10 teams, each with 2 drivers, will compete using the new Spark Renault car.